Hey y'all, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this cute, rustic looking Easter bunny wall hanging decor using some items from Dollar Tree and some items from Walmart. So stay tuned and I will show you how to make it. Hey y'all, so someone in my group, Lindsay, had sent a picture to me. She said she got it off of Pinterest of this bunny tray that was painted and decorated. And if you remember, I know my great Aunt Sue used to have some hanging in her kitchen, but like the copper bread and cake molds, those big, beautiful, elaborate molds, she used to have them hanging up on the wall. And this project here reminds me of those. But anyway, you're going to need one of these trays, one of these bunny egg trays. This came from Dollar Tree. You're also going to need some of this Rust-Oleum Bright Coat Metallic Finish Spray Paint in the color Bright Coat Copper. Now, I've already done this part, but I'm going to do it again here in a minute because I've touched it again since then. But what you want to do is wipe this down really, really well with some rubbing alcohol. That's going to get all the fingerprints and clean it. You know, get all the nasties off of it so that your paint is going to stick just a little bit better. And if you want to, take some very fine sandpaper. Now, you don't want it to be too coarse or you're going to put scratches all in it. This comes from the Dollar Tree, you know, be gentle with it. But I'm just lightly buff. Okay, and that's going to reduce some of the shininess so that your paint will adhere better. What we're going to do after we get it painted is we're going to decorate it with some of these eggs. These came from Walmart. Yes, from Walmart. I have 2 packages of these. I'm not going to need 2, I don't think. Anyway, I just grabbed 2 packages. But anyway, I have those and I have some moss and some hot glue and stuff. But first, let me take this outside. And I'm going to give it probably 2 coats at least, if not 3 coats of this spray paint. And we'll come back and decorate it. Okay, so my paint is dry. And actually, you know what? Let me turn the this TV off over here. There we go. All right. Now the lighting is a little bit better. But anyway, it took me a few minutes to try to decide exactly how I wanted these eggs placed. I think I have them where I want them. And now I'm just going to go in and glue them down. But if you look at these, you see that they have like little holes. And these holes can be a little bit difficult to see because of all the little speckles. So when you glue them down, try to place them where those holes are hidden. Now, probably easier said than done. But I'm looking here. And these cutouts here are pretty, you know, pretty deep. And I don't think that the eggs are going to fit down in there exactly. You know, like all the way down in there. So what I'm going to do, I think, is put the glue kind of like around the edge. And then just kind of set the egg in there on top of that. Like I said, I'm trying to get it to where you can't see the holes in the egg. Let's do that. All right, that looks good there. So I'm just going in, like I said, just going around the edge. I don't think my glue gun is quite hot enough. Dad, blast it. That's okay. Oh, there we go. There we go. But anyway, while I'm gluing these down, let's take a look at some jewelry. I really like this bracelet. But this is paparazzi, of course. And y'all know that I am a paparazzi consultant. I was a paparazzi consultant years ago. I mean, years and years ago. And I got to missing it, so that's why I signed up again. But anyway, each piece is only like $5. So it's a pretty good deal. And if you sign up to be a consultant, you get like a massive discount off of that. So, pretty good deal. But if you look in the description box, I'll have a comment. I'll have a link that says paparazzi. If you click that link and then click on the little tab that says shop, it'll take you to the jewelry. Not bad for $5. I have so much paparazzi. But anyway, I'm just going to finish gluing all of these eggs in. Probably going to take me a minute. And then we will come back and we'll see how else we're going to decorate this. Alright, so I have all of the eggs glued on. And you know what? I don't want to do too much to this because I don't want to mess up the simplicity of it. You know, I mean, I like the way it looks just like this. But I do have some of this, like baker's twine that I got from Walmart. And I think what I want to do is I'm just going to make a little simple bow, maybe to go right here. And I'm also going to use this through this hole here so that it can be hung up. But, yeah, I'm just going to take this and kind of like just wrap it around 4 fingers here. Just wrap it around a few times. You know, just making a really simple little bow. Like I said, I don't really want to take away or detract from what we already have going here. Come here. All right. Now I have a little piece here that I cut, and we're going to just lay that there, and then take all of those loops that we made on our finger, and I'm just going to tie it together like so. Tie it nice and tight. Let's do it again. You gotta have fun. All right, should I leave like the little... No, I'm going to trim that off. All right, so let's come around here to the back. His little back side here. Oh, for heaven's sake. Trim it off of his back side. All right, yeah, let's pull that around. I'll try to glue that in the back. I just didn't want it sticking up. You know what I'm saying? All right, let's see. So I'm just going to put this little bow right there. Hold still, bunny. I need another glue stick. I knew I did. And I was getting ready to get one out, and I just didn't do it. Okay, there we go, right there. That looks good. I'm happy with that. And now, stop. And I'm just going to cut a length and just run it through here, and we're going to use that. Uh-oh. Use that for the tie. Oh, golly. Okay, I've got eggs everywhere. I'm making a mess. It's all right. I don't care. Okay, just run that through there. Then loop it through, and now we can use that to hang it up. I'm just going to tie it like so. That looks good. Yeah, right there. Let's trim off some of this excess. There we are. All right. All right, bunny. I think that's done. Like I said, I didn't want to put a whole lot of stuff on here. Just use that to hang, but yeah. I'll get some of these hot glue strings off of here, and I'm going to call that done. Now, I had some moss, and I was thinking about putting the moss, maybe a little bit of the moss around the eggs. I still don't even know if I want to do that, because I like the way that this looks, but you know what? I want to pause right quick, and let me grab some of the moss, just that green, moss from Dollar Tree, and let me play with it for a second and see maybe if I want to add a little on there. I don't know. Okay, so I didn't like the green moss at all, but I do have some of this Spanish moss, also from Dollar Tree, and I like that it's pretty muted. It's not really, really bright. As you can see, I just kind of tucked it down in there. I'm just going to tuck in a little bit more. Yeah, okay, I think I'm liking this better. And then I can just put just a few little drops of hot glue here and there to hold it down. Now, if you don't like this, then don't put it on there. Okay, I'm not going to be the only YouTuber today to put on my sassy pants, but a lot of times I get comments, well, I wouldn't have done that, or I would have done this. Good for you. That's what you go and do. This is what I'm doing. You do whatever you want to do. Because you know what? My way is not the only way, and your way isn't the only way either. So there's that. But anyway, I am just going to tuck some of this down and just kind of get it into position the way that I like it. And then I'm going to glue it down a little bit. I don't want it over here, like around the edge of the bunny. I just kind of want it here among the eggs. So I'm going to work on that and glue it down here and there, and then we'll come back and take another look. All right. So I like it. I'm very happy with it. I think it is adorable, and I'm going to go hang it in my kitchen right now, actually. Anyway, that's it. It's done. And I got all of these little doohickeys over here that I got to clean up. But anyway, I really, really like it, and I hope you like it. So if you would, please give this video a thumbs up. Click subscribe. Check me out on other forms of social media, the links to all of which will be in the description box down below. And I hope to see y'all next time. Bye.